Good morning, my dear students. I welcome all of you to the virtual classroom on the subject of management process. You have this subject under the RTM Nagpur University Nagpur syllabus for BCom third year, that is semester 5. For this academic year, you will be going to learn the subject as one of the subjects of your fifth semester, that is management process. In this academic year, we have now an opportunity to interact with you in the virtual classroom sessions due to the pandemic COVID-19 situation. I pray God that all of us should be well, keep safe ourselves while staying at home along with our family members, and hope for one area of development in your attitudinal thinking, that the classroom virtually what you are now enjoying through these videos we sent to you through the WhatsApp and email, you will feel the same as if you are in the classroom. Now coming to the question of this management process syllabus is concerned. We have here 4 units under this syllabus. The first one is the management and administration. The second one is management development and group dynamics. Third one is managerial styles, and the fourth unit is motivation. Under each unit, you will have lots of items with reference to the context and concepts of the management and the processing of the subject of management. It is not new to you. Already you have studied the same subject in your BCom first year, second semester in the name of business management. Almost the advanced version of what you have learned in the second semester under business management of each topics you will be going to learn here, from the context and contextual process of the processing of the management principles and philosophies and various elements under the managerial processes. That what we learn under this particular subject, management process. So as I said earlier, we have 4 units. The question paper, what you will be going to answer at the end of this semester under this subject, you will have 5 questions in the examination question paper pattern. Under each question, you will have unit-wise allocation of the questions. The first question deals with unit 1, the second question deals with unit 2, the third question deals with unit 3, the fourth question deals with unit 4, and finally the fifth question deals with, from all the units, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, of short answer questions of 4 marks each. Every question will have the options of A, B or C. A and B combinedly put together 8 marks each, you will get 16. Or you can write the C question instead of writing both A, B for 16 marks. Totally it comes to 4 into 16, 64 plus 16 marks of 4 marks each of the fifth question, total 80 marks what you will learn here. This is as the question paper pattern is concerned. Now coming to the question of the concept of the management. Already I told you that it is not a new topic to you. You have already learned in the BCom second semester business management subject. Anyhow, we will go for a formal way of introducing the concept management. If you clearly observe it and you bifurcate, or you will go for breaking the term of management, you will have here 3 words: man, age, ment. You are dealing with people. The basic definition of management says management is an art of getting things done through others. So you are dealing with people. Now coming to the question of age, it is the time and context of the situation. Now coming to the question of management. Management meant means it is the process or the strategy or the action and the activities that you take into consideration. So putting together, you will have the management process as your subject. So by basically keeping in remembrance the definition of management. Management is an art of getting things done through others. So then what is, how you get the things done through others? You have to go it for the functions of a manager. What are the functions of a manager? We well remember the acronym set by Dallik and Durby in order to go for the remembrance of the functions of management. Posed card. P for planning. O for organizing. S for staffing. D for directing. CO for coordinating. R for reporting. And B for budgeting. These are the functions what we can come to a conclusion. What are the functions of the management? So now the question of our subject management process is concerned. Now how a manager will process all the functions during the course of managing an organization. So managers are supposed to play different roles also here, keeping in view of executing all these functions with the people who are working under that particular manager. So now coming to the question of, there are various levels of management also. We have broadly categorizing the total hierarchy or levels of managers in an organization under 3 categories. Top level management, middle level management and bottom level management. So every area, wherever the manager, whether it is in top level or middle level or bottom level, it is must for every manager at each level should process his responsibilities, his functions, his obligations, as well as the actions and activities in a timely manner. So coming to this context, we will be going to learn under this subject what are the different ways and means. In the first unit I said we have the subject chapter under the unit is management and administration. In the second unit we have managerial development and group dynamics. Under the third unit you will have managerial styles. And the fourth unit we have motivation. If you remember the syllabus what you have studied in your business management, under the function of direction, you have studied the various items, namely communication, supervision, motivation and morale, etc. But motivation has not been fully included there. We have here a complete version of the context of motivation, without which a manager cannot make the people work under him or her during the course of processing the actions and activities in the organization. Whatever the activities assigned to him, assigned to an employee, should be conducted by way of getting motivated the employees under him or the workers under him. Henceforth, motivation is one of the crucial factor of getting the things done through other people. This is what for today as the management process introduction is concerned. Tomorrow we will go for in the next lesson. Thank you very much.